Welcome to the weekend edition here at freetradingvideos.com. Let's get after it. On Friday, the markets continue up. We did get a drop on the VIX, up 165 points on the Dow to be quite frank. And here's the S&P daily. This market has been on a tear, just going straight up. Just boom, since March. It just keeps going up and up and up and up. Will it ever drop? The answer is yes, it will drop. Everything that goes up does come down. But the question is when and by how much. I think this was the low. I would like to see a sizable pullback. And I'm waiting so ever patiently. So when will it come? Now, we have a very crucial area right here at 933. 934, 935 area on the daily. We have a number of resistance lines right here in this big teal line coming across to that swing high. So let me go. Oh, you know what? Let me show you something else here. Look at my MACD going from this swing down to this swing right here. This line is going down. If I were to draw the same line from this swing to this swing, it's going up. You have what's called a bearish divergence. Higher swing highs taking place here, lower swing highs taking here on the MACD. Pay special attention to that. Bad things could be in store. Could this continue to fight it? Yes. Could we go to sideways base? Yes. If we do a sideways base, we have the best chance of popping up even further. But you're going to find a lot of selling activity, a lot of bears wanting to sell when it gets up here in this higher area, if in fact it does choose to do so. Now, let's look at the weekly chart. Here's the weekly. We have a falling wedge formation. We take off, and we take off like a machine. And with that being said, look where we're at right now. Smashing that 930, 933, 934, 935 area. We're there. Where did we get that? From that swing right there. A lot of consolidation taking place. There's going to be a lot of resistance to get through there. Can it bust through? The answer is yes. The markets can do whatever it wants to, but that is a significant area to be paying special attention to. And let me blow up the MACD. The MACD on the weekly, here we're going down. See this? And we're going up, a bullish convergence, or some people call them divergences. But you're going lower swing lows, higher swing lows that showed, and falling wedges are bullish. Boom, played out perfectly. So now that we've looked at the weekly, let's also take a look at the monthly. Here's the monthly. There's the monthly. Now the monthly is we've dropped. Now we have what's called a little bear pullback. And usually when you drop 5 to 6 bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coming down, then you rise about 3 to 4, 1, 2, 3. So we're looking for maybe another one going up, or it could stop right now and then start down again. On the monthly, I'd like to see a little, maybe a double bottom take place, or maybe a step up right here, where we find, retest the 800 mark. That would be juicy, yummy. And back on the weekly, let's see how plausible that would be here. The 800 mark is right here. We do have nice support right there. Do you see this? 800. I could see a nice pullback. Wouldn't that be great? A nice pullback to 800 and then a rally. If it did do that right there, you'd have an inverted head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, and shoulder. And that would be all in. Everybody push all your chips into the middle of the table because it should only go up from that point forward. But tell me on a weekly that this isn't overextended. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bars to the upside. It's going to want to beg to pull back here. So I hope it does. If it doesn't, I will continue to day trade off and on as it goes higher. But if it does, I'll be looking for some bearish opportunity and make money to the bear side, which I do expect to happen. I mean, we're right there at resistance. And I will be licking my chops to go bullish on a nice retracement. So that's what I'm looking for. And let's look at the sectors before we sign off here. I'm going here to finviz.com. I'm going to click here on groups. And there's my groups. And let's scroll down here. I want to look at the 3-month and the 6-month particularly. 6 months ago, you had financials way at the bottom. 3 months, financials is screaming north right there. Boom. But technology has dropped off in the 3-month. Isn't that interesting? Financials continue to find strength. Before the markets can go bullish, financials have to strengthen. I think that's what's happening right now. So, happy trading to you. Feel free to come and participate in good, lively, rich discussions in trading here at freetradingvideos.com. Click on forum or talk with other traders, and just engage yourself and be a part of our growing, ever-growing trading community. So, Free Trading Videos, your place for financial freedom.